and gentlemen, welcome to the 50th commencement exercises of Bicol University, anchored on the theme BU at 50, Building Legacy, Transforming Lives. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the academic procession of the 50th commencement exercises of Bicol University, starting off with the University Marshal, the University Registrar, the College Registrars, the College Marshals. Now, we have the graduates. BU Graduate School, BU College of Medicine, BU Institute of Architecture, BU College of Agriculture and Forestry, BU College of Arts and Letters, BU College of Business, Economics and Management, BU College of Education, BU College of Engineering, BU College of Industrial Technology, BU College of Nursing, BU College of Science, BU College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, BU Pulangi Campus, BU Tabaco Campus. Next are the faculty and staff of Bicol University, the deans and directors, the vice presidents, guests, members of the BU Board of Regents, the university president, and commencement speaker, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas. Today, we will bear witness to an end and a beginning. An end because we will cap the achievements of this batch of graduating students who have successfully proven their worth in various degree programs. This is also a beginning because these graduates will now embark on a challenging journey of their professional lives. We are holding BU's 50th commencement exercises with health protocols in place, like social distancing and wearing of PPE. And to formally open the ceremonies, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the BU Registrar, Sofia A. Romero.
The Bicol University family takes pride and honor in conferring the various degrees upon the 2020 graduates of Bicol University. Our commencement speaker and esteemed President and Vice Chairperson, Bicol University Board of Regents, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, the Honorable Chairperson, Bicol University Board of Regents and CHED Commissioner, Dr. Aldrin A. Darilag, the members of the Bicol University Board of Regents, Honorable Mark Go, Chairperson, House of Representatives, Committee on Higher and Technical Education, Honorable Joel Villanueva, Chairperson, Senate Committee on Higher Technical and Vocational Education, Director Agnes M. Tolentino Espinas, Regional Director, National Economic and Development Authority, Region 5, Director Romel S. Serrano, Regional Director, Department of Science and Technology, Region 5, Director Rodel P. Torilla, Regional Director, Department of Agriculture, Region 5, Dr. Antonio Gary L. Zamora, and Attorney Roberto Rafael B. Lucila, Private Sector Representatives, Professor Edgar S. Barameda, President, BU General Alumni Association Incorporated, Engineer Fernan D. De Matera, President, BU Union of Faculty Association Incorporated, Mr. Ivan Ian S. Barria, Chairperson, University Student Council, the University and Board Secretary, Attorney Norly P. Reyes, the Vice Presidents, Dr. Helen M. Lianeresas, Attorney Joseph L. Bartolata, Dr. Amelia A. Dorosan, and Professor Jerry S. Bigornia, our beloved academic deans and directors, our department chairpersons, the teaching and the non-teaching personnel, the college registrars, other university officials, the benefactors, the stakeholders, the very proud parents, my dear graduates, guests, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 50th and first Bicol University virtual commencement exercises with the theme BU at 50, Building Legacy, Transforming Lives. As University Registrar and on behalf of the administration of Bicol University, I now formally declare this ceremony open.
Thank you very much. Please remain standing for the entrance of the colors. The BUROTC unit.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, anak ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyat ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisilip. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mabaga, may nilagang tulad, awit sa paglayang minamahal. Pag-islap ng matawat mo'y tagumpay na nanininig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pang mali magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng ating pagsinta mo'y langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pamay mga pirang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Ating damhin ang maalab na pagpapala ng Poong May Kapal. Panginoon, malugod po naming iniaalay sa iyo ang meditasyong itinuro mo sa amin, ang Ama namin. Sa marubdob na pagtanggap sa bawat isa, sa kabila ng aming pagkakaiba-iba, kami makapagsasabing, Ama namin. Dahil ang Panginoon ay may puwang sa aming buhay, kami ay makapagsasabing, sambahin ang ngalan mo. Sa isa namang pang-akademikong taon na ito, ang araw ng pagtatapos, na bagaman taliwas sa pagsasara ng mga nagdaang taong panuruan, kami makapagsasabing, mangyari ang iyong kagustuhan. Sa patuloy na pagbuhos ng masaganang habag at biyaya, na naging daluyan ng pagpapala sa pagsasakatuparan ng mga pangarap, kami makapagsasabing, sumang-ayon kami sa iyong kagustuhan, sapagkat kami ay may pagkakawang gawa at may pagmamahal sa kapwa, kami makapagsasabing, may pagpapatawad sa mga nagkakasala sa amin. Sa pagharap namin sa apoy ng pagsubok, dinalisay mo ang aming mga puso at isipan sa katotohanan, na bagaman kami ay nakararanas ng matinding paghihirap, dala ng pandaigdigang krisis, kaugnay sa paglaganap ng coronavirus. Tapat ka at hindi mo kailanman pinapahintulutan na kami subukin ng higit sa aming kakayahan para iadya mo kami sa anumang tukso. Dahil ang aming mga puso ay natutong magpasakop sa iyong kagustuhan at kilalanin na ikaw ay makapangyarihang Diyos na nag-aadya at nagtatakda sa lahat ng bagay. Itinataas po namin sa iyo ang buong pamunuan ng Bicol University sa kapasyahan na ito na idaos ang taunang selebrasyon upang magbigay kasiyahan sa mga magsisipagtapos at magbigay pugay din sa sakripisyo ng mga magulang at mga mahal sa buhay. Kaya kami makapagsasabing nasunod ang iyong kagustuhan. Higit sa lahat, dahil kami ay sumasang-ayon sa lahat ng kagustuhan ng Ama namin, kami ay makapagsasabing Amen.
Thank you very much. Commencement is a special occasion that graduates, families, guests, and the Bicol University community look forward to celebrating each year. Bicol University made the difficult decision to cancel the traditional in-person commencement ceremony this year because of the COVID-19 crisis. While a virtual graduation may not replace a traditional ceremony, it is the best way to recognize graduates under the current circumstances. We have a couple of numbers in succession. First, the presentation of the candidates for graduation in the various degrees and the conferment of degrees. The former will be done by the college deans and director, and the latter by the president of Bicol University. First, the presentation of candidates for graduation from the Bicol University Graduate School. Dr. Antonio P. Payonga, the Dean of the Graduate School.
As Dean of the Graduate School, I have the honor to present to you 137 candidates for graduation for the school year 2019-2020. 36 in the doctoral level, 89 in the master's level, with 2 most outstanding graduates and 9 outstanding graduates, and 12 for the diploma program, which are broken down as follows. Doctor of Education, major in Educational Management, 1. Doctor of Education in Educational Leadership and Management, 16. Doctor of Philosophy, major in Development Management, 1. Doctor of Philosophy in Development Management, 2. Doctor of Philosophy in Educational Foundations, 7. Doctor of Philosophy in Filipino, 2. Doctor of Philosophy in Mathematics Education, 2. Doctor of Philosophy in Peace and Security Administration, 2. Doctor of Philosophy in Public Administration, 3. For Master's Program, Master of Arts in Education, major in Teaching English as a Second Language, 1. Master of Arts in Biology Education, 5. Master of Arts in Chemistry Education, 1. Master of Arts in Educational Leadership and Management, 3. Master of Arts in English Education, 7. Master of Arts in Guidance and Counseling, 2. Master of Arts in Industrial Education, major in Instructional Technology, 3. Master of Arts in Industrial Education, major in Teaching Technology and Livelihood Education, 7. Master of Arts in Mathematics Education, 14. Master of Arts in Nursing, 7. Master of Arts in Peace and Security Studies, 3. Master of Arts in Physical Education, 7. Master of Arts in Physics Education, 6. Master in Economics, 1. Master in Entrepreneurship, 2. Master in Management, 7. Master in Management, major in Human Resource Management, 2. Master in Public Administration, major in Health, Emergency, and Disaster Management, 1. Master in Information Systems, 3. Master of Science in Architecture, 2. Master of Science in Biology, 1. Master in Rural Development, 1. Master of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science, 1. Master of Science in Biodiversity and Environmental Management, 1. Master of Science in Fisheries Technology, 1. Diploma Program, Diploma in Preschool Education, 12. Mr. President, they have satisfactorily completed the requirements for graduation as prescribed by Bicol University. I am submitting to you the list of candidates for future references. Thank you.
The Dean of BU College of Medicine, Dr. Luis Domingo B. Mendoza.
Mr. President, as Dean of the College of Medicine, I have the honor to present to you for confirmation 62 candidates for graduation for the degree of Doctor of Medicine, MD, as of the second semester, school year 2019-2020. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements for the degree of Doctor of Medicine as prescribed by Bicol University. I am submitting this list of candidates for future reference and for record purposes.
The Director of the BU Institute of Architecture, Architect Leo A. Del Rosario.
Mr. President, as Director of the Institute of Architecture, I have the honor to present to you, as of mid-year 2019, 2 candidates, and second semester 2019-2020, 93 candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Architecture. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements for graduation as prescribed by the Bicol University. I am submitting the list of candidates for future reference.
The Dean of the College of Agriculture and Forestry, Professor Domingo L. Nace.
Mr. President, as the Dean of the Bicol University College of Agriculture and Forestry, I have the honor to present 202 candidates for graduation. From the Diploma in Agricultural Technology, 71. With a degree of Bachelor in Agricultural Technology with a specialization in Agricultural Technology Education, 1. With a degree of Bachelor in Agricultural Technology, 43. With a degree of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, 1. And with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Engineering, 86. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for graduation as prescribed by the Bicol University and are eligible for confirmation. Mr. President, I am submitting to you the list of the candidates for graduation for the school year 2019-2020 for future reference.
The Dean of the College of Arts and Letters, Dr. Leticia M. Lopez.
Mr. President, as Dean of the College of Arts and Letters, I have the honor to present to you for confirmation 16 candidates for graduation. 3 from the Bachelor of Arts in Communication, 5 from the Bachelor of Arts in Broadcasting, 4 from the Bachelor of Arts in English, 2 from the Bachelor of Arts in Journalism, and 2 from the Bachelor of Arts in Speech and Theater Arts. They have satisfactorily completed the minimum academic requirements for graduation as prescribed by Bicol University. Mr. President, I am submitting to you this list of candidates for endorsement purposes and for future reference.
The Dean of the College of Business, Economics and Management, Dr. Eddie S.C.
Mr. President, and the Honorable Chairperson and members of the Bicol University Board of Regents. As Dean of the College of Business, Economics and Management, I have the honor to present to you 86 candidates for graduation for the degree programs, with 57 candidates for graduation with honors, 1 magna cum laude, 57 and 55 cum laude, and 1 with academic distinction as of the second semester, school year 2019-2020. 85 from the Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, with 1 magna cum laude, 55 cum laude, and 1 with academic distinction. 1 from the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in microfinance. These candidates have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements for graduation as prescribed by the Bicol University. Mr. President, I am submitting to you the list of these candidates.
The Dean of the College of Education, Dr. Lorna M. Minya.
Mr. President, as Dean of the College of Education, I have the honor to present to you for confirmation 6 candidates for graduation for the school year 2019-2020 from the following programs. Bachelor of Elementary Education, 3. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Biological Science, 1. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, 2. They have satisfactorily complied with all the requirements of the program as prescribed by Bicol University. Mr. President, I am submitting to you the list of candidates for records and future reference.
The Dean of the College of Engineering, Dr. Amelia B. Gonzalez.
Mr. President, as Dean of the College of Engineering, I have the honor to present to you, as of second semester 2019-2020, 476 candidates with 6 cum laudes and 1 with academic distinction for the following degree programs. From Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering, 44, with 2 cum laude. From Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, 133. From Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, 111, with 3 cum laudes and 1 with academic distinction. From Bachelor of Science in Geodetic Engineering, 54. From Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, 91, with 1 cum laude. Bachelor of Science in Mining Engineering, 43. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements for graduation as prescribed by the Bicol University. Mr. President, I am submitting the list of candidates for future reference. Thank you.
The Dean of the College of Nursing, Dr. Maria Bernardita A. Palacio.
Mr. President, as Dean of the College of Nursing, I have the honor to present to you as of mid-year 2019, 2 candidates for graduation for Bachelor of Science in Nursing. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements for graduation as prescribed by Bicol University. I am submitting this for record purposes and future reference.
The Dean of the College of Science, Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano.
Mr. President, as Dean of the College of Science, I have the honor to present to you 177 candidates for graduation for the following degree programs. Bachelor of Science in Biology, 16, with 1 academic distinction. Bachelor of Science in Chemistry, 44. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, 52. Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, 65. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements for graduation as prescribed by Bicol University. I am submitting the list of candidates for record and future reference. Thank you.
The Dean of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno.
Sir President, as Dean of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, I have the honor to present to you for confirmation 18 candidates for graduation from the following degree programs as of summer 2019, first semester and second semester of the school year 2019-2020. 9 from the Bachelor of Arts in Philosophy. 7 from the Bachelor of Arts in Political Science. 2 from the Bachelor of Science in Social Work. They have satisfactorily complied with all the requirements for graduation as prescribed by Bicol University. Sir President, I am submitting to you this list of candidates for graduation for conferment of the respective degrees and for official and records purposes.
The Dean of the BU Palangi Campus, Dr. Mary Joy B. Katangi.
Mr. President, as Dean of BU Pulangi Campus, I have the honor to present to you 130 candidates for graduation for the following degree programs. Bachelor of Science in Information System, 40. Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, 42. Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering, 46. Bachelor of Elementary Education, 1. Bachelor of Science in Electrical Technology, 1. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements for graduation as prescribed by Bicol University. I am submitting the list of candidates for record and future reference. Thank you.
The Dean of the BU Tabaco Campus, Dr. Maria Gisela N. Mortega.
Mr. President, as Dean of the Tabaco Campus, I have the honor and privilege to present to you 2 candidates for graduation for the degree Bachelor of Science in Food Technology during the second semester school year 2019-2020. They have satisfactorily complied with the requirements of the Bicol University for graduation. Mr. President, I am submitting this list for reference purposes.
And now, for the conferment of degrees, the President of Bicol University, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, SUC President 4.
By the authority vested in me by the Bicol University Board of Regents, I hereby declare you graduates in your respective degrees with all the rights, honors, and privileges, as well as the obligation and responsibilities thereunto appertaining. Congratulations.
Congratulations to all the graduates. At this juncture, we shall have the imposition of BU Alampay to the graduates. This is going to be done by the very amiable VPAA of Bicol University. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Helen M. Llenaresas.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Bicol University takes the honor and pride to impose upon you the BU Alampay, the ultimate symbol of the respective degrees you've completed. The Alampay is the symbol of your profession. Wear it with dignity, live up to its expectations, and let it remain pure and untarnished. It is a covenant that will bind you to your alma mater. May this ever be your guide in the exercise of your profession with dignity, prudence, and justice. Congratulations!
Thank you very much, Madam Vice President. One of the highlights of today's celebration is the delivering of commencement address by our very special commencement speaker. He is going to be introduced by the Chief Presidential Management Staff Office and Director, Expanded Tertiary Education Equivalency and Accreditation Program, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Reyna O. Habalo.
Graduates of Batch 2020, members of the Bicol University community, ladies and gentlemen, I take pride and honor in introducing the University Commencement Speaker for the 50th Commencement Exercises. He is a Doctor of Philosophy in Community Development with a Master's in Rural Sociology from the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, and a BS Agriculture, major in Agronomy from the Central Bicol State University of Agriculture. He began as Professor 1 at Bicol University in 1993, with subsequent promotions
to Professor 4 in 1997, Professor 5 in 1998, and Professor 6 in 2012. He was a consistent honor student from elementary until graduate studies. He was also a recipient of academic scholarships from high school, college with PMF COCOFED Scholarship Grant, to graduate school with USAID Scholarship Grant and PhilRise Scholarship Grant, respectively, obtaining the highest grade point average. He was inducted to UPLB's Gamma Sigma Delta Honor Society in 1991 and to the Phi Kappa Phi International Honor Society in 1994. Before joining BU in 1993, he worked as field research aide with the Bicol Consortium for Agricultural Resources, Research and Development, and research assistant at the Southeast Asian Regional Center for Graduate Studies and Research in Agriculture. He joined the 2 USAID-funded projects before settling down with the Department of Agriculture in 1988 as agricultural technician at a USAID project. Before becoming BU's 8th president, he was director of BU Research and Development Center, director of the Commission on Higher Education Research, Regional Research Center, dean of the BU Graduate School, and director of CHED's Continuing Education Program, both in concurrent capacity, and assistant to the President for Planning and Development and University Planning Officer in 1995 to 1999. By providing leadership to more than 15 research projects on climate change and disaster risk reduction, food safety and quality assurance, socioeconomics, policy studies, impact evaluation, supply and value chain analysis with majority externally funded by PICAARD, Philippine Council for Agricultural and Aquatic Resources and Research Development, by the Philippine Institute for Development Studies, the Food and Agricultural Organization, and the Department of Agriculture, Bureau of Agricultural Research, and World Fish. He has published technical papers locally and internationally on climate change and disaster risk management, supply and value chain analysis of selected agricultural commodities, and impact assessment. He is also an active extensionist and consultant. He works in remote barangays, assisting municipal LGUs to prepare comprehensive land use plan and project feasibility studies with implementation of development projects, particularly of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, World Fish Center, Winrock International Land O'Lakes International, and German Technical Cooperation Agency. In 2016, he twice received the Most Outstanding Alumnus Award from the Central Bicol State University of Agriculture and the Most Outstanding Alumnus Award from the College of Public Affairs of the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, including Most Distinguished Alumnus Award by the UPLB Alumni Associations during its General Homecoming and Loyalty Day. The Asian Council of Leaders, Administrators, Deans and Educators in Business, or ACLEDEB, declared him Most Outstanding CEO Global Education Award last year. Last year, he was also unanimously reappointed as 8th President of Bicol University, Philippines, by the Board of Regents after a grueling evaluation of his first term as president, having been given an outstanding rating of his sterling performance. A man of the hour called to rise up to the challenges, the new and the next normal, in the time of this COVID-19 pandemic. Batch 2020, friends, ladies and gentlemen, our speaker for this virtual 50th commencement exercises, Dr. Arnulfo Mateo Mascarenhas, SUC President 4.
To the Bicol University Board of Regents, headed by Commissioner Aldrin Darilag, to our Vice Presidents, Deans, Directors, and Heads of Offices, and other officials of the University, to our faculty members and non-teaching personnel, beloved students, proud parents and relatives, Golden Batch 2020 graduates, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It was not really that long ago when we had a grand celebration of 50 years of Bicol University. It was a year-long festive moment for us as we recalled the milestones that we have gained through the years as the premier university in the Bicol region. We have indeed gained more milestones and sustained the gains built over the years, from being institutionally accredited to our responsive academic governance and massive physical and structural developments that have sprouted in the different campuses. We are slowly inching our way to becoming a world-class university, producing leaders and change agents for social transformation and development. We have plans of continuing our long-term goals and further expanding our borders beyond the university. Like the rest of you, including your mentors, I had a vision of Batch 2020, the golden batch that carries with them the distinction of becoming graduates during Bicol University's 50th Golden Founding Anniversary, marching down the aisle of the grass-covered ground where many others have been. Instead, we have to do our commencement exercises today virtually due to the onslaught of COVID-19 pandemic. Today, we stand at the crossroad in one of the most defining moments of our lives. We are suddenly swept in the currents of change brought about by the global pandemic of COVID-19. Life and learning as we know it has become a mere semblance of what once was. This has been a year so far of many firsts. The first time schools, universities, and colleges are closed, masses were suspended, public gatherings prohibited, fun and leisure curtailed, shops and businesses closed, thousands of lives lost, including numerous jobs and industries, and the first time for Bicol University to have a virtual commencement exercises. Not since the Great Depression of the 1930s or the infamous Second World War of the 1940s had there been such a great upheaval where the world literally stood silent and still, bowed by the challenges of a deadly virus sweeping the world. This pandemic has indeed drastically changed all of us, especially Bicol University. As an academic institution suddenly thrust in this pandemic crossroad, we are faced with major and significant life-changing decisions that would shape the way we learn and accomplish our vision as an academic community of scholars and educators. Much as we would like to go back to the normal we once knew and the way things were, we have to accept this new reality. We have to accept the face masks, hand washing, physical distancing, and health protocols are the constructs of our new reality. Our academic landscape and the way we have conducted classes has been drastically altered. We have to accept that this reality in the new normal will involve exploring alternatives and other modalities of education, learning, and professional as well as personal development. We are greatly challenged, my dear friends, but we will neither hesitate nor stop in our efforts to bridge education gap that this latest global health crisis has given us. COVID-19 may have stalled our momentum and redirected our steps, especially in the delivery of education. But with this new normal, as part of everyday reality, your Bicol University will step up with new and better ways of thinking, particularly in terms of learning delivery. The global trend on Education 4.0 that has been the direction of Bicol University with our learning management system and the distance education mode of our open university will definitely shape the way we at Bicol University will learn and deliver learning in the next challenging months or years. Learning under the new normal in Bicol University will be defined by both remote and flexible teaching and learning. This is not a temporary shift. Rather, it is the way we will be shaping the relevant education Bicol University is known for. Everything that we will bring today, or we will be doing today, and all the directions we'll take amidst the COVID-19 pandemic will never be temporary, but has implications beyond this pandemic. You may be leaving the hallowed portals of your alma mater as graduates, but bear in mind that the new normal stays with you. The new normal will be your way of life, if only to preserve humanity and to continuously meet head-on the varied and unique challenges that you and us in Bicol University and elsewhere will be facing. But changes are underway. Pivotal moves are being made. Capacities and professional development for teachers and other service providers are being crafted, if only to continue our steps towards building legacies and transforming lives for every student and teacher that walk these grounds of Bicol University in the midst of the greater challenge that is the COVID-19 pandemic. The road is long and winding for all of us in these trying times, my dear graduates. The steps and our footing may be uneasy and unsure. The burden for you on your career and professional development and for Bicol University with every stalled projects, unmet targets, and pending deliverables are part of these challenges, with the burdens urgently seeking newer and better alternatives. The COVID-19 pandemic may have stripped us of our sense of security in every aspect of our lives. But what this pandemic can never strip from us is our God-given will and the seed of faith in our hearts that make us the resilient and God-fearing people that we Filipinos are known for. It is this that will ensure our survival in the quagmire brought about by this pandemic. My dear graduates, the pandemic does not end our ability to dream of a golden future where the harvest of significant accomplishments in your respective fields are truly possible. Let your lives not be virtual moments that are forever captured on films and photographs frozen in time. Let your lives be made up of moving moments, ever directed towards making this pandemic and beyond a bit better. Be agents of change amidst the uncertainty of a world gripped by a devastating pandemic, one small step at a time. Build your legacies and transform lives. Good luck, and may God Almighty bless you all as you start your journey in these uncertain times. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. We are rather certain that you have infused a new sense of vibrance, commitment, and responsibility to our eager breed of graduates. As a token of gratitude for the invaluable service you just have rendered, Bicol University will be giving a plaque of commendation. We would like to request the commencement speaker to take the center stage. The plaque of commendation will be given by the Board of Regents, represented by the President, BU General Alumni Association Incorporated, Professor Edgar S. Parameda, to be assisted by the BU Vice Presidents for Academic Affairs, Dr. Helen M. Lienaresas, for Administration and Finance, Attorney Joseph L. Bartolata, for Planning and Development, Professor Jerry S. Bigornia, and for Research, Development, and Extension, Dr. Amelia A. Dorosan.